Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question that 7 plus 7 divide 7 multiply 7. Okay. So most people solve this question like 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. Then divide 7 multiply 7 is equal to 49. So 14 divide 49 can be written as 14 divide 49. Okay. So 2 by 7. But this answer is completely wrong. This answer is not correct. Okay. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. So PEMDAS, according to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division, and last priority is addition and subtraction. Okay. So in this problem, one addition, one division, and one multiplication. So multiplication and division both have equal priority, therefore we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so first we have to solve this division. So 7 plus 7 divided 7 is equal to 1 multiply 7. Okay, now here is one addition and here is one multiplication. So first priority is multiplication, then we have to solve addition. Okay, so first we have to multiply this part. So 7 plus 7 multiply 1 is equal to 7 is equal to, now 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. Therefore the correct answer is 14. Okay, if you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.